Hey wine lovers, it's Krystal here, and today we're in Southern Maryland checking out Perigeaux Vineyards and Winery. One of the best things you can do here in St. Leonard, Maryland. So it's harvest time, let's go check it out.
Hi, I'm Rachel, and here we're harvesting, and then we're gonna go press the grapes and go make some wine. So for harvest, we're we're taking down the bird nets, finding a clump of grapes, using this tool to cut the stem, and then collecting the grapes in lugs. My favorite part is probably the people here. I really love working with the people here, and it's just fun getting to work outside. This is the kind of thing I love to do. So.
My name is Andrew Rayleigh. Today we are picking the whites, which is going to be our Pinot Gris and Chardonnay. Right now we're just kind of picking the clusters off of the vines. I'm just trying to fill up these lugs. We should have a good amount compared to last year, also with our Pinot Gris. So there's been a lot of improvements with the vines this past year. So we're looking forward to the end result. I like the crushing. The crushing is pretty fun. Kind of seeing the grapes come off the stem. So, and actually there we were able to get some new equipment, which is actually going to be better for the grapes. So I'm excited to see that process. It should actually be a lot faster for us too, so we'll be able to get a lot more done quicker. And there's a couple things better with the equipment that we have that are a lot safer for the grapes, just to be a little bit more gentle. So it should give us a little bit better quality compared to what we have had. So yeah, I would probably say crushing. I mean, also picking the grapes is also a fun time because you kind of get to see kind of your progress and what you've done throughout the year. You kind of get to, I guess, kind of finally see what all the hard work that you put into. So you kind of get to see the end result, which is kind of cool because it's definitely been a hot summer. So it's kind of nice just to finally see everything and kind of just see your hard work that you put in.